बुक पढ़ लेना, अच्छी बुक है। ओके, आई थिंक आप लोगों ने भेजा, थैंक यू यार। ये देखिए, हाउ डू आई इन्वर्ट इट? ओके, आई इन्वर्ट इट। दिस इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एक्सप्लोजन गैप पिवट। आपको मैं सॉरी दिखा रहा हूँ, जो मैं आपको देखो समझा रहा था। इट इज नाउ, यू कैन सी इट इन द एग्जैक्ट बुक ऑल्सो। मार्केट हैज ओपन गैप अप, राइट? इट डज दैट, ये ब्रेक अवे गैप है, इट डज दैट इनिशियल फेडिंग, यहां से कहीं बाउंस हो गया, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एक्सप्लोजन गैप पिवट लो। सो या तो इसके ऊपर यहाँ ऐसे लगा दो, या अपना इसके नीचे लगा दो, मतलब जहां पर गैप फिल होना था। बिकॉज अगर गैप फिल हो गया, पैटर्न फेल है, पैटर्न फेल है, बिकॉज ब्रेक अवे गैप फिल नहीं होता। सो अगर गैप फिल हो गया, पैटर्न इज फेल। तो या अगर आप कॉशियस हो, थोड़ा बैठना चाहते हो, पुट एसएल हियर, अदरवाइज ओवर हियर। सो इससे पहले वाला आपको लोअर लो बना रहे हो, अगला हायर लो बना। सो वंस यू आर गेटिंग अ ब्रेकआउट अबव द एक्सप्लोजन गैप पिवट, आप यहां पर बाय कर लो, आगे बाय कर लो, समझ गए? दिस इज हाउ explosion gap pivot is.
Can you explain again?
I'll explain again, don't worry. देखिए, ये देखो, explosion gap pivot में क्या हो रहा है? There is a breakaway gap.
Just explain in English. I don't know Hindi, that's the problem.
Sorry?
I don't know Hindi, that's the problem. Can you explain in English?
Yeah. So there is a breakaway gap. Yeah.
Okay.
There is a breakaway gap, then there is some initial profit booking, there is some profit fading, and then one candle will give you a low and the other candle will protect that low and go forward. It will give you higher high. So this candle is called explosion gap pivot, meaning that in a breakaway gap, this could be a very big potential support. So what basically the person here says is, you can put your entry not on the next candle, what I was saying, you can actually whatever is the next candle high, put your line, when that further breaks, enter over. This is what he's saying, nothing very difficult. It's
okay. Thank you, sir.
So this is what it is. So maybe observe it on Kotak, because right now I think this is one stock that can give. So I'm actually, why I'm bullish on Bank Nifty, because of Kotak. It is really playing with my emotion. So since so many days, I'm just saying this only. And one very good thing I'll tell you, I have always told you that the dips that you get in the market, they sorry, I'm put my indicators. 1 second. Bollinger Band. Just see the beauty of Kotak. But I want to show you why I'm bullish on Kotak. Because when the dips also came, they were supported by 20 MA. They didn't go below that, and above 20 MA you are bullish. And now it has given you a new high. Breakaway gap has a very important consideration, that the breakaway gap should cross, if whatever is the gap, it should cross the high of the previous 20 day. Matlab the breakaway gap should be a 20-day high. That's the most important condition in a breakaway gap. So currently, I can quite easily say, if you open up gap up, it will be a breakaway gap. It's a new 20-day high. So that is one reason that I am not shorting Bank Nifty right now. So if in a way Kotak starts to fail, it again goes below, gives a bearish engulfing, then again sentiment becomes poor. Because I don't think right now HDFC Bank has done anything. If you're observing HDFC Bank, it's not done anything. Kuch bhi nahi hua. You are still in a range, sir. So one good thing is, for all my Bollinger Band folks, some volatility compression has come in. That is one very good thing. You can see the band is squeezing, but nothing is done here. So in a way, Bank Nifty wants to rally. That rally has still not happened. If HDFC Bank wants to participate, so if any good move comes in HDFC Bank, abhi to 1000 crore rally bacha hai. Anyway, today ICICI Bank was top performer. Big rally has come in, and the last candle high has been broken. As per our rule, anyone who is short has to exit his trailing stop losses. That's the rule we follow. But Kotak, I'm happy with the way it has performed. So I will be observing this guy very closely tomorrow. It can give you a good potential trade, positional trade. And if you remember my lectures, this is why I said descending triangles more likely than not break out, not break down. बहुत देखा है मैंने. I have seen it a lot of times. And what is this called? Anyone? What is this called? Shortfall. Shortfall. Why shortfall? Because you should have rebounded from here, but you rebounded a little bit ऊपर से. That is showing you what? Buyer sentiment, buyer enthusiasm. And if this is happening at the 20 MA, nothing like it, na. So what will this level be on RSI? Anyone? क्या होगा ये? Anyone?
50.
Yes, sir. Check करो. Yes or no? I am helping you tone down your screen. I am making your screen more visible. Nandan.
Well, isn't that level of Kotak Mahindra Bank or Nifty Bank or Nifty is that weak that it is testing like twice or thrice in a month? Like
Yeah.
15,720, that ball low, sir.
Sorry.
Like 15,720, sir, that ball low in Nifty has been tested like twice
Yeah.
within 2 months, sir.
Yeah.
So doesn't that make it a little weak?
If it breaks, then na, just what? So what you are saying is market is giving you double bottom. Let me buy over here only. If it breaks, then you buy, na. Same thing here. If 15, 7, 50, whatever that level is, if it breaks, I will aggressively sell 16K calls also. I might aggressively sell 15,800 calls or even in the money calls. I know then the market is going to crack, but let it break. Why assume? Right? So for right now, you have flipped the side, flipped the coin. It is in the market that we are in. Coins are flipping every day. It might flip tomorrow also. But as of right now, 9:30 p.m. on Tuesday, you have to go with the trend right now. समझ
Okay,
गए?
okay, got it.
ठीक है? So,
Devang,
अच्छा, please.
what's your view about LIC? I mean, आज इस हुआ discount पे.
LIC is expected. Yeah, I don't know if I talked about this. I think I did talk about this. I told you at a 3.5% government offloading stake, it calculates to a 7 lakh crore valuation. If you all remember, how is it justified? सोचो ना बात को. मैंने बताया भी था, कैलकुलेट भी किया था. So it's not justified. And आपको प्रीमियम दिखा रहा है मार्केट इतने पे खोलूंगा. करो, पेटीएम वाला हाल हो गया. I'm not expecting it to become the next Paytm or something. It's a heavy guy. But see, with the IPOs, you can't use technical analysis. Please understand. At least give it 4 to 5 to probably 6 months of trading for it to establish some patterns or some monthly high, monthly low. You need some trading. So technicals will never work. My advice is, if a guy is a long-term person, then it's fine for you. But if you're someone, just 1 second, if you're someone who's a trader, not work, doesn't work for you. It doesn't work for you. समझ गए?
I mean, I was talking about LIC with my dad.
नहीं,
Dad.
I might be adding something if I want to add insurance, but at the current time I have zero insurance. I have a lot of financials. I have Max Financial. I think Max is insurance only. I have Max. I have finance. I have what? एक तो है और banks. I have all probably. I have Axis, ICICI, Kotak. सब पड़े हैं. I have City Union Bank in the smaller ones. But life insurance I have never had. एक बार किया था for some time trading के लिए, but ऐसे नहीं मैं करता. अभी थोड़ा life insurance game इतना strong नहीं है. I think आप reports अगर पढ़ोगे तो आपको दिखेगा. मैं अभी कर ही नहीं रहा. अभी dim है यार थोड़ा. Because जब inflation की news आएगी ना तो bank nifty को भी impact आता है. More than nifty, bank nifty will also see impact. So in the coming days you will see one thing. In the coming days, whenever these inflation concerns rise, na, you will see Bank Nifty will start to underperform. It is just how the world has been moving. I have tried to really find a reason why, but I don't know, maybe a short-term market doesn't calculate that NIM gain. But I have seen it in my life since 1919. So whenever inflation happens, sort of Bank Nifty underperforms in the short term, not long term, but short term. Anyways, ठीक है, ये हो गया. I think I can do stochastic. कर लेते हैं, खत्म करें, एक नया चीज सीखते हैं. So I have done Ikake today.